Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up Workday Authenticator app. So to start, make sure that you already installed the Microsoft Authenticator app from Play Store or App Store. Then next, from your Workday app, just select Authenticator app. Next is just click on the Add button on the top right corner of your screen. Then in the Add Account page, just click on Other. So from here, all you have to do is scan the QR code or you can just enter the account name and secret key manually, then just click on Next. Then back to the Authenticator app, just click on Workday to copy the code. Then back to Workday, just paste the code that you copied to confirm the security code. Then once done, just click on Next. And to save changes, just click on Finish. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!